Welcome to the Vaccine Passport prototype demonstration. First, one can create an account by entering their information. Then, a user can enter their phone number to receive a verification code. Next, enter the verification code. Now, a user is prompted to verify their identity by uploading an image. After account creation, users can create records of their vaccination information as verified by medical professionals and store it in formats which can be easily shared and scanned. In the home screen menu, you have options to select your vaccination history, patient registration, validate vaccine IDs, or see how it works. Now for creating a vaccination record. A medical professional is able to enter the patient details and then the vaccine details. Then they will see a summary of the vaccination details. Now the token is created and can be shared easily in a QR code format. The application allows for the patient to receive an email of the vaccination details for easy access. Now in the Validate Vaccine ID tab, when one provides the vaccine ID or simply scans the QR code, they will be able to see the vaccination details and whether or not a person has been vaccinated. Patient information and vaccination details are stored in HTS tokens, which can be retrieved and validated to confirm a patient's vaccination history.